A disconnect switch is required in addition to a ground fault circuit interrupter or GFCI breaker. Firstly, safety during maintenance. The disconnect allows isolation of the GFCI outlet from the power source during maintenance or repairs, preventing accidental shock or electrocution. Secondly, compliance with the National Electrical Code. The National Electrical Code, or NEC, requires a disconnect for all GFCI outlets except for those in readily accessible locations. Thirdly, easy reset. The disconnect makes it easier to reset the GFCI breaker if it trips, even if the outlet is inaccessible or hidden. Fourthly, protection against accidental activation. The disconnect prevents the GFCI breaker from being accidentally tripped, which could lead to a loss of power to the outlet. Several types of disconnects exist. One is a toggle switch, a simple on or off switch that isolates the outlet from the power source. Another type is a circuit breaker, a miniature circuit breaker that provides overcurrent protection in addition to a disconnect function. The placement of the disconnect is important. The disconnect should be installed within easy reach of the GFCI outlet, typically within 6 feet. It should be clearly labeled to indicate that it controls the GFCI outlet.